Hi, today we're going to talk about EON Spatial Artificial Intelligence Center. This is a unique vehicle that can conduct nationwide rollouts of artificial intelligence assisted extended reality experiential learning. In fact, this is the most efficient way that workers, students can learn, train, and perform. And what better than selecting an exotic example rather than Singapore or United States? We actually going to go today to India and Odisha, where we signed an agreement with the government there, and we are rolling out this center. Okay, let's get started. So this is a joint partnership between, on one side, EON Reality that provides the platform, the knowledge, the library, ITE, renowned academic institution in Singapore that provides the pedagogical support and has encapsulated its courses in our platform, and the Indian local government in Odisha, represented here by the World Skills Center, and as you can see in the picture, represented by the local government and supported by the chief minister. Okay, so let's talk about what this center really does. So, in short, this partnership enables a solution that academic institutions, industries, local SMEs, and governments can use to digitalize knowledge and knowledge transfer by using experiential learning. And we are hosting partners and clients and also welcoming students and educators and young entrepreneurs to adopt this amazing technology. Now, it's a big space. You can see here from the video, this was the video taken prior to us starting the adaptation process.
So here we are at
And you can see that it's a large area. We are right now in this area, and we are moving towards this part of the space. It's very open. It allows many users. And we have now redesigned it in an exciting way. A lot of windows. It's probably more than, I would think, 8,000 square feet or more than 900 meters. So today we're going to visit the entrance, the reception, the demo area, and the training area. Let's get started. So if we go to the entrance area, you are met by a showroom, a space, and a reception. And the whole idea here is to demonstrate the technology in action, starting from the beginning with this interactive wall that you see on the left side. We had different design alternatives, more organic. In the end, we selected the left one. You are also met by a 3D avatar driven by an artificial intelligence assistant that can help you, welcome you, and guide you into this center. The whole design here is dramatic entry atmosphere, balanced by a reception that is functional with projection walls. The demo room, that's the next space, is a state-of-the-art showroom with advanced immersive systems that are flexible and allows a collaborative workspace. This demo room contains things like virtual reality glasses, laptops, augmented reality, tablets, mobiles, holographic screens, LED screens, and various wall projections, all aimed to provide this enticing learning environment. There's also round tables that serve as demo tables. There's also a dramatic atmosphere where you can control the lights. You have a light mode and a dark mode. I especially like the holographic screens. This is almost something that you see taken from some type of, what should we call it, science fiction movie. Now, after that, we migrate to the training area. That's where we have the production studio. So part of the delivery in our centers is that we are doing 10,000 tailor-made courses for the local environment, for the local academia, and for the local industries. And this flexible space allows to do just that. This dedicated studio for production has tailor-made courses equipped with 3D scanning, virtual reality technology, and everything you can dream about to make this happen. We also, in this training area, conduct course design, certification programs, technological know-how transfer, and we provide all the materials. We also have access to the world's largest library for spatial AI with more than 36 million assets. We can host easily 40 people, but during session we can go up to 100. There's also a large lecture style projection, and there's also dedicated areas for research and development. Hardware, plentiful. This is just some examples you can see there, including interactive panels, the latest headset from Apple, or Samsung large QLED smart TVs, Oculus Meta equipment, everything from scanning devices, 360 cameras, tablets, etc., laptops. So this is a very well-equipped center. And the whole purpose here is to match the deliverables. So what exactly is a center delivery? Typically, it is at least 57,500 users divided between 50,000 students, 7,500 workers. And these are all-encompassing platforms, cloud-based with all the 10 products that EON offers. On top of that, we provide the infrastructure. This includes the hosting, typically done with Amazon Web Services. It is included. But also platform infrastructure supporting more than 30 different hardware and displays, such as Microsoft HoloLens, Facebook, Oculus, Meta, Apple headsets and ARKit, Magic Leap, Vision Pro, but also normal mobile phones, tablets, laptops, etc., Macs. Now, then comes the real secret sauce, which are the tailor-made courses. And why this is so exciting is that you can simply take text, like you see here, and convert it in seconds in courses where everything that you see in this video is generated by avatars, artificial intelligence avatar, including 3D models, certification, assessment, environments, etc. And these tailor-made courses are based on the specific needs in that region. We also provide 500 job opportunities for interns. And we have something we call a Learn for Life Academy. And we can host 500 students. And these students are undergoing during 3 months very practical activities. And the whole purpose here is that they get real-world skills. They have critical thinking and problem solving. They actually engage in real customer engagements that EON has. And the idea is not just to master the theory of artificial intelligence, but training on leading tools and preparing those for future technological challenges. Now, the beauty of this is it's all in international exposure, right? We are working across nations. Current academic participants in this academy have more than 26 nationalities. The whole idea is to have engagement, experience, and customer interaction. So after the course, they will be able to engage either in work for EON, if they want to do that, but also they are able to work for our customers, or who knows, start their own businesses. So the purpose of EON here is not to just provide the technology, the knowledge, the library, but also a way to drive innovation. So we are hosting in the Innovation Hub more than 200 SMEs. And the purpose here is to drive new research, new development, localized activities. And we work, for example, with devices from Apple, like Vision Pro, which are the new coming devices, but we also work with all kind of technology, including software. Now, on top of this, we also provide grant funding. Through our nonprofit Learn for Life, we can go out to the users. This can be on an individual basis. Learn for Life has done this for the last 15 years, especially in communities that are underdeveloped. We team up with USAID, Inter-American Development Bank, and we can generate projects where such as the ones you see here, that really help people not only just fancy stuff, but stuff that is meaningful. And of course, we are very grateful for support from UNIDO, UNESCO, USAID, Inter-American Development Bank, etc. Now, the idea here is not only to generate a center that transfer knowledge, but also that is sustainable. So that means that we have a marketplace. We have currently more than 40 million participants from across the world. And this marketplace, when you create content, you can publish it. And then 80% of the revenue goes back to you, the people that actually are creating the content. And what you're seeing in this video is a meetup among the different participants. And let's listen in.
Company, and Istanbul is a EON is a global company, and Istanbul is a global city. It's the meeting point of the world, and we saw yesterday and today how it all matches perfectly together. We came from all the continents, from all the different countries, and we are all experiencing what EON is all about, the mission and the vision of education for all that is linked to the new technologies, to artificial intelligence, to virtual reality, augmented reality.
So that was actually the fourth president of Bulgaria. Also, I think he was president for European Union, one of our advisory member, and that was at one of our Experience Fest. Next one, by the way, is coming up May 3rd, 2024. It's going to be amazing. It's in Singapore. You can also experience the center. I welcome you to that. But the whole idea is to create a sustainable center where people are creating content that can then be disseminated across the world. Now, finally, we also have know-how and resources. We provide the necessary support. We have something we call the 9-step implementation plan that includes everything from setting up your own hub, your own cloud-based solution, LMS integration, certification, workshops, etc. So now to deliver this, we need obviously space. And you saw some of these spaces. So what we're trying to do is to match each location with one of these deliverables. So for example, the presentation auditorium enables this state-of-the-art facility, creating awareness of this type of technology, what it does. Obviously, the Learn for Life Academy hosts all the interns, the Innovation Hub, the SMEs and local companies, the Infrastructure Command Center is hosting all the hardware, especially for larger compute. The content production studios, as the name implies, as I showed you, is to do the tailor-made courses. The Job and Career Center is designed to help the interns to link them with the potential job opportunities that are generated. And the Grant and Financial Management location is to help facilitate grants for the participants. And the marketplace lab and ROI analysis allows to publish this content both nationally and internationally. And finally, the pedagogical center is linking, that's the important link between the local community and local academic and enterprise organizations. So this space, as you can see here fully, where we took the picture with all the representatives, enables us to do those things together. And you can see little variations here of the design that we have depending on your taste. So it's not looking the same. Obviously, we need to adapt to the local architecture. So those are some of the examples. Now, in summary, we are doing through this center a modern functional space that integrates technology and provides this amazing vehicle for knowledge transfer. Okay, thank you so much, and I hope to see you in Singapore. Don't forget, May 3rd, 2024.